Hello, in this video I'm gonna explain why is your LENOVO Legion not turning on. If your LENOVO Legion is not turning on, make sure that you've pressed the power button all the way. You can see here is the power button. You need to press it hard if it doesn't turn on, and if the light on the power button goes on, then it'll be turned on. If it doesn't, or if it does and the display doesn't go on, then maybe there's a problem with your system. And if after trying several times, even if the light on the power button goes on, it still doesn't work, then you may need to reinstall Windows. And there is a video on our channel on how to install Windows from USB on this laptop, so in case you need it, you can do that. But what if the button does not go on? Most probably the laptop is discharged, but before we plug it in, also you may want to try pressing and holding on the power button. It may help. But if the laptop still doesn't turn on, then plug it into power. And now repeat the previous steps, which is pressing and holding on the power button. If it still doesn't help, then you may need to plug your laptop in and leave it for about like half an hour to make sure that it's charged at least to a certain point so it can boot up. Maybe the charger is not outputting enough power for it to run off of it without the battery. So also, if your charger is plugged in, you should have a light here. It should be either blinking or red or white, whatever. There should be just a light. If there's not, then maybe there's a problem with your charger, especially if your charger is ingenuine. If you have an ingenuine charger, then it may be not outputting enough power for your laptop to even run, because this is a very powerful laptop, so it requires a lot of power. But sometimes even the genuine chargers break. So if you know someone who has a LENOVO laptop, try borrowing a charger from them and see if it works. Maybe it'll help you. If it still doesn't, I would take the laptop to a technician so they can see what's going on. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.